Baby's hiccuping, so I wanted to show.
Hey guys, it's Julianne Huff with big news from Proactive. Get set, because it's the first anniversary. We're seniors. I think they can see that.
And years ago, when we were looking for a senior community where we could live independently,
We really had no idea what to look for. Or who to ask. It was overwhelming.
so we agreed that once we got settled, we'd look for a way to make it easier.
She's having really funny hiccups. She keeps hiccuping. She's never really done this before, so I decided to make a video.
Seniors looking for independent or assisted living communities that cross-reference thousands of senior communities
Cool, huh?
with photos, descriptions, and services
You and your family can call anytime and get help from experienced counselors.
for free.
Seniors for Living. They'll find the right community for you.
We'll see. It'll be easy. Call today to get your free guide to senior living. Call 800-795-7870. That's 800-795-7870. 800-795-7870. It's easy to pile high.
Cool, huh?
And the Taco Bell is big one now. And 99 cents, time is running out.
I have the coolest baby in the world. I don't know if you can see right there.
I did just about every odd job that you could think of. I worked for a temporary agency called Talent Tree, and they would call you.
If you look over here, that's mostly where it is.
I worked at a bank,
Now she's moving.
a shoe warehouse. I worked for Xerox. All we did was make copies of documents all night. It paid pretty good to do that too. I remember one time I worked in a warehouse where they were putting together the Frito-Lay
Whoa.
boxes of chips. I was on the end, you know, I was pushing through the plastic part, you know, when they kind of do the over-there plastic. One time, I looked back at the conveyor belt.
She likes Aerosmith, so I'm gonna put on some Aerosmith. She might start moving if I do. Alright, here we go. Either she might go crazy or she might stop to listen to the music. But we'll try it. There you have it. She likes Aerosmith. She still has a little bit of hiccups, so like I said, she's never done it before, and I thought it was cool. Daddy's gonna like this too, isn't he? I think she stopped. Oh no. Say bye-bye.